Want AI to literally do your work for you? These 5 free tools can handle writing, planning, editing, and more, so you can get results while doing almost nothing. 1. Transcribe.com, Project Management plus AI Assistant. Transcribe.com is like Notion plus ChatGPT in one place. It helps you brainstorm ideas, break them into tasks, and auto-generates full plans using AI. Whether you're managing a YouTube channel or freelancing, this tool literally organizes your brain. Number 2. Copy.co, Marketing Email and Copy Generator. Copy.co writes emails, ads, and sales copy for you. Just pick the style, like newsletters, Instagram captions, or cold outreach, and it generates it all instantly. It's perfect for creators, marketers, or lazy freelancers. 3. Krea.ai, Real-time AI Image Creation. If you need stunning visuals but don't have time to design anything from scratch, Krea.ai is a total game changer. Just type in a description like minimalist workspace with soft lighting, and it starts drawing it right in front of you. You literally watch the image come to life in real time. You can create logos, backgrounds, concept art, or even mock-ups for products without touching Photoshop. It's fast, free to try, and perfect for creators who need scroll-stopping visuals in seconds. 4. Notta.ai, Free AI Meeting Notes. Notta.ai gives you free speech-to-text for meetings, 120 minutes every month. Just hit record in Zoom or Google Meet, and it automatically transcribes and highlights key points. You get summaries without typing a word. Tool number 5. MagicEraser.io, Instant Background/Object Removal. MagicEraser.io makes image cleanup dead simple. Upload a photo, brush over the object you want gone, and boom, it vanishes. No Photoshop, no sign-up, no mess. All of these are free to start and actually save you hours. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know below and hit subscribe for more time-saving AI tools.